Alright, I'm literally doing the same thing right now. I'm putting my ESC motors and signal wires. And while I'm at it, I'm making this little video for you so you can see what we're talking about, the hole. So I've already pre-tinned the holes that I'm using. 1 through 4 for the 4 motors, this negative, and this for the positive. To tin them, pretty much clean your tip so it's nice and clean. Put some solder on the tip and go in quick. Want your soldering iron to be kind of hot. Don't stay on there for more than 2 seconds. So let's retin this one here. 1, 2. That's it. 2 seconds. 1, 2. 2 seconds. 1, 2. And at the same time, put the iron, heat it for a second, and then put the solder in there. Alright, so they're all pre-tinned. Here's the signal and ground for the ESC for motor number 2. Right here. I already stripped them, so let's put some solder on these. Put a little solder on the iron. Touch the iron to the wire and then put the soldering to it at the same time. That's it, just for like 1 second, 2 seconds. That's it. Alright, I clean my iron pretty often with the wire mesh over here. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna put my ground first. My ground is closest to the edge. And this is motor number 2. We go in real quick, heat it, and get out. Less than 2 seconds. 1, 2. That's it. Alright, we'll do the same thing. I clean my tip. Put some fresh solder on the iron, on the tip. The signal for motor number 2. Quick, 2 seconds in and out. That's it. After doing that, I like to use 99% isopropyl alcohol. It dissolves and gets rid of any flux that's remaining on there. And I have this medium thickness kind of bristle brush, and I brush it nice and good. And that's there. So we get the signal for 2 and the negative for 2. Now on to the next ones.